From the TMAC Cylinders homepage, go to Launch Configurator. We'll next drill down into the product family you're interested in. From the Configurator window, use the drop-down and selection tools on the left to customize the product to meet your design needs. The configurator will generate a 3D preview of the product. As you adjust the dimensions, the tool will automatically update your product number and generate a new preview. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD and then select Add Formats. Here, you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a custom PDF datasheet that includes configured part number, product specs, technical drawings, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a CAD file. To try the configurator, go to tmaccylinders.com and visit Cadinus to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.